Under a crescent moon, the pillow boat starts its gentle journey across the bay. As the boat sways, it listens to the whispers of the waves and wind. With each gentle wave, the pillow boat feels the rhythm of the sleepy sea. A soft breeze guides the pillow boat towards shimmering horizons and fantasy lands. Soon, the pillow boat meets fellow travelers in this dreamlike moonlit realm. Every wave brings new stories, each lullaby echoing adventures yet to unfold. As the journey continues, the moon shines brightly, guiding them on their way. As they sail, the pillow boat embraces the serene magic of moonlit dreams. And so, the pillow boat welcomes sleepy dreamers as they drift off to sleep.